naturally your girl K. Alright guys, so I said I'll spend the afternoon with me because I wasn't going to post anything today. But I can't leave you guys hanging. So I'm gonna take you along with me. So let's get straight into the video. Something very simple. My peas has already been cooked and I'm using the black beans, the tin black beans. I mixed it with another set of peas that I already had. So let me take you guys through.
Alright guys, so all of the juice is strained, so I'm going to go ahead and sweeten my juice using sugar and lemon. If you don't have any lemon, you can use lime or you can use sour orange.
Guys, mommy just come from work and we have a show on mommy brain. Is she trying to say something? Mommy come home with one bag of porridge. Say something? One bag of instant porridge. Guys, one bag of instant porridge. Are you trying to say something? Are you trying to say something, mother? Anyways, guys, I shall keep drinking then. Guys, let me see what I'm telling you. One bag. Huh? Guys, it's
that's extra.
Okay, so I'm not cooking for a lot of persons, so no need to use a lot of vegetables. And there is a juice that we mixed today. And here is the meat cooking. So now we're going to take our broad bean and throw it in the pot. Also guys, the rice and peas is finished. Guys, I'm so tired, but we're almost finished cooking. I made the salad, I made the guava juice, the rice and peas is finished, and the meat is almost done. I just have plantains to fry, but I'm thinking of letting mommy do that because I'm tired. But thank you guys for spending the afternoon with me. Well, it's night now. But thank you guys. Psych! You thought I was leaving and I didn't show you dinner? So, my family is very not fussy. So, we're not going to cook no 2-3 meats. We're very fine with what we have. So, yeah. So, I'm going to take a shower and get myself clean up, and then I'm going to show you the end results. Alright guys, so this is the dinner. So I'm just going to add vegetables to the plate. Right, and this is the drink guys. So this is the finishing touch. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I do hope you enjoyed. Thank you for spending the day with me.